Good morning children, this is Hemlata. Welcome to class 6 general maths class. Children, today what we will discuss on factors. Okay, we already completed the divisibility rule. We are in the chapter 3, okay, playing with numbers, and in that we completed the divisibility rules, is it? And today's topic is factors. Today we are going to discuss about factors. Okay children, so let's start today's class. So first we have to understand what is factor. Clear? So see children, suppose a number A is a number. A divides B exactly. Okay, A divides B exactly, then A is factor of B and B is multiple of A. Okay children, did you understand? Suppose 6 is a number. 6 is equal to what? What are the possibilities? 1 6 ja 6 or 2 3 ja 6. Is it or not? So here see children, what are the numbers came which divide 6 exactly? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Is it now? All these numbers divide 6 exactly. 1 6 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. So all these numbers are factors of 6. Factors of 6 or f of 6. Okay. Factors of 6. Factors of 6 or f of 6. What are these? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Why? Because all these numbers divides 6 exactly. So a number which divides another number exactly, then that number is a factor of the given number. Whereas the given number is multiple of that number. So 6 is multiple of all these. 6 is multiple of 1, 6 is multiple of 2, 6 is multiple of 3, 6 is multiple of 6 also. Clear? Whereas these are what? These are what? Factors of 6. 1 is factor of 6, 2 is factor of 6, 3 is factor of 6 and 6 is also factor of 6. A number is itself factor. Okay. So here the things we must know that 1 is factor of all the numbers because 1 divides all the numbers. Is it or not? 1 divides all the numbers. So 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Second point what you have to know, that the number is itself factor. 2 is factor of 2, 3 is factor of 3, 4 is factor of 4, 6 is factor of 6. Every number is factor of itself. Clear? The second point. Okay, first point is 1 is factor of all the numbers. Second one is the number is itself factor. Now third point is what? The number of factors for a number is countable. We can count number of factors of a number. Clear? Countable. There are limited countable number of factors for any number. Clear? These are the points you must remember. Clear? So now let's go for definition. So okay children, take your notes. Okay, and give today's date, time, subject and write general maths. What is a chapter we are doing? Chapter 3. We are doing chapter 3, playing with numbers. Is it now? Our chapter name is what? Chapter 3, playing with numbers. In that, what is the subtopic we are doing? Factors. Okay children, now write the definition. Factor. What is factor? A number which divides the other number exactly. There are two numbers. One number divides another number exactly. Then, Okay, is exactly, then it is called factor of that number. This number divides this number exactly, so this is factor of that number. Example, factors of 12. Factors of 12 in short, how to write? F of 12. F of 12 means factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Because these are the numbers which divides 12 exactly. Is it no? 1 divides 12 exactly. 2 divides, 3 divides, 4 divides, 6 divides and 12 also divides itself exactly. So all these are factors of what? 12. Is it? All these numbers are factors of 12 because all these numbers divides 12 exactly. Okay. So now you see children. Second example, see factors of 20 or f of 20. What are the factors of 20? Which numbers divides 20 exactly? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. You can see in these tables 20 is coming. Is it? It means these numbers divides 20 exactly. Clear children? So now here you can see one thing. There is 1 here also, there is 1 here also. It means what? 1 is factor of all the numbers. Here are some important points what we will observe from this. First is what? 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Second is what? Smallest of all factors. You see in all these factors, which is the smallest one? 1. In these all factors, which is smallest one? 1. So 1 divides all the numbers exactly. So 1 is factor of all the number and which type of factor? Smallest factor. Clear? Second point is what? Every number is a factor of itself. You see factors of 12, 12, factors of 20, 20. Every number is a factor of itself. Second point, every number is factor of itself. Every number divides itself. Is it 12 1 ja 12, 21 ja 20. Next, and is the greatest of its factor. Every number is a factor of itself and that is what? Greatest factor. Smallest factor is what? 1. First factor, smallest factor, 1. Greatest factor, the number itself. Clear children? Remember, smallest factor, 1. Greatest factor, the number itself. 12 divides 12 exactly. 20 divides 20 exactly. 20 is the greatest in all these factors. 12 is greatest in all these factors. Clear? Next, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. You see in these all factors, you see either numbers are less than 12 or equal to 12. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. All these numbers are less than 12. All these are less than 12 whereas 12 is equal to 12. So factors are either less than the given number or equal to the given number but never greater than the given number. Any factor will not be greater than 12 here. Here any factor will not be greater than 20 here. Clear children? Next, number of factors of a given number are countable. How many factors are here? 6 factors here. Here also 6 factors are there. So number of factors for a given number are countable, finite, limited. Clear? We can count number of factors of a given number. Clear children? This is about factor. What is factor? Factor of a number is a number which divides the given number exactly. Clear children? 1 is factor of all the number and which type of factor? Smallest factor. Every number is factor of itself and which type of factor? Greatest factors. Remaining factors are small than the given number. Clear children? Please note down this neatly. You must pause the video and note down from the board. After writing only you continue the video. Write neatly. Okay children, so now we will go for the next topic. Next is prime number. Okay, prime number. What is prime number? A number is said to be prime when it has only two factors. Any number with only two factors, that is 1, and the number itself is called prime number. Clear children? Very simple. A number is said to be a prime number when it is having only two factors. What is that two factor? 1 and the number itself is called prime number. Okay, so what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, so on. So many prime numbers are there. Unlimited. Okay, there are infinite prime numbers are there. So these are the some starting prime numbers. 1 is not a prime number. Remember, 1 is not a prime number because how many factors are there for 1? You think it? Think. How many factors are there for 1? 1 is having only one factor. That is 1. Is it no? Factor of 1 is only 1. 1 itself is its factor. Only one factor is there. So if it is having only one factor, how can be it a prime number? A prime number should have how many factors? 2 factors. A prime number should have 2 factors. What are that? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. So factors of 2, f of 2, how many factors? 1 and 2. Factors of 3, 1 and 3. Factors of 5, 1 and 5. Factors of 4, how many children see? 1, 2, 4. Factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. In all these 3 tables, 4 is coming. 1, 2 and 4. So there are 3 factors. For 4, how many factors are there? 3 factors are there. That's why 4 is not a prime number. Clear? Factors of 5, 2 factors. Factors of 7, 2 factors only, 1 and 7. Is it or not? So now I think you understood very clearly what is a prime number. A number is said to be prime when it is having only 2 factors. What is that 2 factors? 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. Clear children? Now next is composite number. Composite number. What is composite number? A number is said to be composite number when it is having more than 2 factors. A number with more than 2 factors means 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors. Okay. Number of factors should be more than 2. That number is known as composite number. So composite numbers, what are the composite number? Again, 1 is not a composite number because 1 is having only one factor. But composite number, how many factors? More than 2. More than 2 factors. Composite number. So what are 4 is the smallest composite number. Then 6. Then 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. Then 15, 16, 18, 20, 21. So on. Okay. Factors of 4, 1, 2, 4. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. You see, all these numbers are having more than 2 factors. Here 3 factors, here 4 factors, here also 4 factors. more than 2 factors. So all these numbers are composite numbers. Understood children? Very clear? A number with only 2 factors, one and itself, that is called prime number. A number with more than 2 factors means minimum 3 factors. Minimum number should have minimum 3 factors. Then it is a composite number. Clear children? Okay, so let's write the definitions. So children, write the definition. Prime numbers, numbers having only 2 factors. Number which are having only 2 factors. That is what? 1 and itself, the number itself. Then that is a prime number. What are the examples? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. What is the smallest prime number? Smallest prime number is 2. Largest prime number cannot be determined. Why? Because how many prime numbers are there? There are infinite prime numbers are there. So what is the largest prime number? We cannot say. Okay now, so smallest prime number is 2. And one more thing you can see children, all the prime numbers are odd except 2. So this is also an important point. So what is that important point? 2, okay, star mark, 2 is only even prime number. Okay now, all the prime numbers are odd except 2. 2 is the only even prime number. In the prime numbers only 1, 2 is the even prime number. Remaining all prime numbers are odd. So a very important thing, this one to remember. Next is composite numbers, numbers having more than 2 factors or minimum 3 factors. Okay, 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors. So that is called composite number. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc. So the smallest composite number is 4. Okay, what are the how many factors are there for 4? 1, 2 and 4. 3 factors are there, is it not? And the largest composite number also cannot be determined because how many composite numbers? Infinite composite numbers. Note point is what? 1 is neither prime nor composite. Very important thing, this one to remember. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Reason, 1 is having only 1 factor. So it is not a prime number, because to be a prime number there should be a 2 factors. To be a composite number there should be more than 2 factors. But 1 is having only 1 factor. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. Clear children? Please note down this. So this is for today children. Today what we learned? We learned what is factor, then what is a prime number, what is a composite number. So next we will do some sums in the next class. This is for today. Thanks for watching.